Hello everyone, welcome to Equity Chronicles and welcome back to another market update video. Today we'll be discussing about how the market performed. We'll be discussing Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty 500. Let's see whether this is a market bottom, whether are we getting a bounce or are still bear in control and all things going to spiral down. Let's find out in this video. So let's see Nifty. Nifty is forming a triangle pattern. It's a descending kind of a pattern, and look at this. What is happening? Nifty is trading inside this triangle and taking support here, here, and all the while, what is happening? Nifty is creating lower lows. See this low, and lower highs. Okay, just made this high, made this low, and then this high, and another high is this. So lower highs and lower lows. This is clearly a sign of bearishness. Okay, and today we just got a small bounce from this area. I was in my previous video I told this, if this pivot is taken down and closed, it could be bad, especially weekly. So we need to wait for weekly. Today it is rejecting from this this pivot, this not this pivot, actually this support trend line. So it's taking support in here and here. So we might get a bounce like this, something like this, and then again very good chance of spiraling down as of now, or else you might never know, you might get a recovery from here. So things look bleak now. As of now it is really bad, it is kind of bearish, and this is not confirmation. Okay, we might get a bounce to hit this point, and don't just jump into a trade, and don't initiate fresh position. If you are building position, take it slowly. I've been always telling this thing, take it very slowly. You participate in market, there's nothing wrong in not participating. If you really wanted to participate, buy in small quantity and see, test the market, how it is going, how indices, other indices or sectoral indices are moving, whether your portfolio is moving or are you making loss. What happen if you put a lot of money at once? If Nifty is like, look at this candle, this volatility. See, new positions, if you take position somewhere around here or something here during this bounce, you took a position. Look at the fall is really big, and your portfolio might have got a very big hit. So short-term traders, I don't think this is the market for short-term trade. Even I used to do a lot of short-term trading. Right now I reduced it and I'm just doing positional and a little bit of long-term, and I'm holding it patiently. So that is what you're supposed to do, because look at the structure is, like I told before, it is lower high and lower lows. Okay, so if this channel is, if this triangle is broken down, and then the probability of we testing this area 21,700 or this election volatility candle testing is getting really close. We are closing on to that scenario. Why? Because FIIs are exiting like anything. There is no day tomorrow like that they are exiting from Indian market. So it's time to be very cautious. Don't jump into any big trades. Take things one at a time. It formed a base. I thought this base might be a bottom and just moving up. So it didn't happen. And then shorting also will be very difficult, because what happened today? People see, looking at this, I'm sure a lot of people must have taken a put option overnight. What happened? It just opened gap up and started moving up, came down a little bit and again moved up. So option players, short-term players, this is not a good, and don't hold anything overnight. And even though this channel, if this triangle support is broken down, volatility might be really high, so we might be slowly inching down to this area. But before that, there are a lot of supports like 22,800 might act as a support, 22,500 might act as a support. And if all this breaking down, this possibility, my hunch says this could be a possibility, or else we'll get a bottom out very soon, maybe within another 2-3 months. But even though we bottom out and reversal won't be so easy for Nifty. Why? Because look at this, these many resistance here, resistance here, here, these are all resistance, this here, lot of resistance for Nifty to go, unless and until we get a push from the government and the budget, which I really don't think we'll be getting anything new in this budget. It'll be the same old thing. People will speculate, people say that we'll be getting goodies. It's time market is like reversing from here. I don't think you should just listen to all those rumors. You have to wait till the election gets over. Till that time, hold your horses, will get a lot of opportunities. And let's move to, I think I covered everything here in Nifty. Even we'll check the major DMAs. Yeah, it's way below this DMA. Recovery will be very slow, it will be very fast. Maybe we will get some buying in some pockets, which I'll be updating in my Telegram in real time. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing it on a regular basis. Like I am updating in my Telegram channel. I'll leave the link below. If anybody is interested, you can join. So we pretty much covered everything in Nifty. Let's move to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also very similar. It's just broken out of this channel, like in my previous video also I told, broken out of this channel, and it can be like, see, this was a major pivot, and this is like a retest. What is happening? So this is a retest, and then it is coming down. So and if this pivot is taken out, this is the pivot. It is not taken out yet. See, if this is taken out, then Bank Nifty is very close to election volatility candle, and Bank Nifty testing this will increase, especially if it is closed below this point, that is 47,800, 850 range. If it closed, if it gives a weekly close below this, the probability of it testing 46k will increase. You cannot predict these as of now. These are the things you can, but don't predict the market. Don't try to predict. Don't think that market is going to fall till this point, so let's short, or even Nifty market is going to just because I said there is a possibility that we'll test election candle, don't just short massively. Shorting is also very difficult because we are going through a very volatile market, and then if you're bottoming out, and the volatility might increase again. So be careful, protect your capital. Let's go to Nifty 500. Nifty 500 gives a view of the total overall health of the market. Yeah, the pattern, I don't have to tell you, this is a head and shoulder pattern. It's broken down, and then this pivot is safe as of now. This pivot is taken out, but this was another pivot was formed. This is safe as of now. So if we are getting a close above this tomorrow, and another close above tomorrow, and then 4 or 5 closes like that, and if it closed above like this, then there will be slight hope for bulls. But again, you can't be really sure, because there are a lot of resistance. Overhead resistance are very high, and in Nifty, this is very classic. In Nifty, if you see why this is really a difficult market. I won't say this is a bear market, because we haven't entered into that territory. This is like, it's like a normal correction. It's only 12-13%. This is normal correction. If you go more than 20-25%, then okay, then we are entering a bear market. Otherwise, or else if this pivot is broken down, and then what percentage is that from here to election volatility? Close to 20. Yeah, this is broken down, then we might be entering a bear market. Otherwise, this could be a bull market correction. We are yet to find out. Okay, so Nifty 500, this pivot is not broken. So this is the brief idea. We'll just move to weekly. Weekly also doesn't look nice, and there are, today I think it's Wednesday, right? So 2 to 3 more days, 3 more trading session. Sorry, two more trading sessions are there. So what if we are getting a close below this? This will be a bearish engulfing. Similarly, in Nifty, if we go to weekly, doesn't look that pretty. Even monthly also looks really bad. See, look at this candles formed by Nifty, red, all red. Even if you switch to daily time frame, look at when it coming down, look at the length of the candle when it is coming down. When it is going up, small candle. When it is coming down, big candles. So this is going to stay. I think we are going to have a very tough time in 2025 also, probably by mid-year probably we might get some opportunity. I think till that time it is going to be a difficult market. So stay away from option. It is very difficult. Don't be desperate. If you're a beginner especially, don't lose your money, don't lose your hard-earned money, don't lose your capital, preserve your capital. Like I always say, you shouldn't be scared of bear market or a correction gives us immense opportunity, provided you know how to manage your risk. If you are somebody who bought at this level or from this level, if you bought from here and Nifty reached this point, then you must, if you didn't book your losses, you must be in a very big loss and your capital might be blocked, and you will be a unintentionally you will become a long-term investor. I've seen this, and when market bottom somewhere around here and then reversing, risk reward will be very high. At that time you won't be having any capital. So keep that in mind, and I'll be sharing any stocks, any couple of good stocks. If that comes into my setup, I'll definitely share it. And even for long-term picks also, I'll try and find out and I'll share. Till that time, take care you guys. Trade with less quantity, stay safe, and then protect your capital. That's the mantra. Don't forget, protect your capital. Take care. Bye.